Hi, Jen McClay, Buckles and Boots line dancers in the Sandhills, North Carolina. I'm going to do a demo of our new dance, Pick Her Up at 8, Easy.